What if I told you ancient Hawaiians mastered fish farming centuries ago? In the next few seconds, you'll learn how they did it. Hawaiians constructed sophisticated fish ponds. These ponds sustainably farmed fish for their communities. The ponds were engineering marvels. Some are still in use today. Can you imagine an ancient fish farm still functioning? They built walls of rock and coral. These walls created a controlled environment. Fish entered during high tide and were trapped. Over time, they used this system to ensure a steady food supply. It's a testament to their ingenuity and respect for nature. And it wasn't just about food, but a way of life. These fish ponds are a living link to the past. Like and subscribe to Time Winks for a daily dose of fascinating history in a blink.